So the very first thing you can do is this mop right here. If you want to do a nice sleek look, you want to get up and feel great and go about your day just feeling confident, you can fix the mop on your head. Yes, try to make it into a nice silken robe that just lays perfectly and just drapes you. If you want that nice silken look and you got hair like this, be ready to spend 2 hours, okay? So that's the first thing you can do if you're looking for things to do while at home.
And nothing to do.
But as you can tell by what I just did, I don't care about those 2 hours. We're gonna do other things today. Another example, you can do that too, right there. You can also go through your makeup, organize it the way you like. May not be perfect, but at least it's organized into the categories that you want them to be in. You can start making a nice little blanket. Whatever you've been putting off for a while, you can start doing that. Yep. This right here doesn't take too long, but when you run out of the yarn, it gets to be a problem. You can bring new furniture into the house that you're not prepared for, but just bring it in anyway, because it's gonna give you something to do. And this right here, I'm trying to get into a beauty room that I wanna have. Yeah, what better time than to mess with it now? Just bring it on in and put it in my living room, get to work on things that you don't wanna do. We can get to cooking because we hardly ever do it. So hey, there's another thing you can do that you don't usually do, and you got all the time in the world now. Let's start cooking something. What's on the menu for today, you might ask? Well, it's lasagna. Yeah, if you really want to get creative with it, you can have all your ovens going at once. Just make it a big old feast. Why not? We got plenty of time. So number 7 is try to do some puzzles. You know, get some games. Do like a game night with the family. You know, try to catch up on things that you don't really get to do because you're usually working or the kids are usually at school, or, you know, these regular activities going on that you can't fit the time in the schedule. Well, now you got the time, right? So yeah, so, you know, do a game night, do a puzzle night. Back in the day, we used to always have Thursdays were our game nights for family night. So, you know, we need to get back in that routine because it kind of brings everyone together, kind of makes you laugh and smile, as long as you don't got no sore losers, you know what I mean?
There's always gonna be that one guy.
See what you can order online. My kids are really into puzzles and stuff like that. Next thing, number 8 that you can do is why don't you learn to do something different? Like learn to draw, learn to paint. Try painting, you know, try drawing characters, go online. I'm an artist as well, so I love to draw things. You guys might not know, but I wrote and illustrated a children's book. So, you know, it's like, do things like that in your spare time. Who knows? You could be the next author of a children's book, from writing or drawing or painting or doing whatever. Just something that you didn't think you'd do before. You can do it now, okay?
You can do it now.
We can do anything we put our mind to. So right now we have all this extra time. So put your mind to the extra stuff. That brings me to number 9. Number 9 is why don't you try to learn a new language? Why don't you try to learn something that you don't know? So besides drawing and painting and writing, how about you go online and see if you can learn Spanish or learn French, or, you know, just try to teach yourself some words. And this way you can be like, hey, guess what I know? You don't know. And tell them something in a new language. That could be fun. That could be. Like, you can make it fun. When you know more words than other people, it's always fun, okay? Because I know what I'm saying and you don't know what I'm saying. That's usually pretty much how it goes in my life, though. People don't ever know what I'm saying. That's okay, and that's in English, so we got problems sometimes. Learn sign language, you know? Do something different that you didn't think you could do. Push yourself to that extra limit. Try to do that. And number 10 is gonna be for us beauty enthusiasts out there. Practice your makeup skills. This is the perfect time. When you have nothing else to do, you're bored out of your goal, you know, get those eyeliners, like when I put that eyeliner video up, get your eyeshadows, get your blending game going, you know, get everything that you can get together in a little box, put your shadow, your brushes, your blush, your bronzer, your contour, try all those things out, you know, do practice. Practice on this side, then practice on this side, wash it all off, do it again. Trust me, makeup takes a long time, okay? It takes a long time, people. So I can guarantee you, you will pass the time by practicing your skills. By the time you know, you're gonna be taking videos and showing me what you're doing. You know what I mean? I mean, that's how it goes. Practice makes perfect. That's all I'm gonna say. It's fun. I love makeup. I've been loving makeup since I was 4 years old, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Beauty is my passion. So if beauty is your passion as well, you can really use this time and make it fun for yourself and learn how to blend, learn how to apply your eyeliner the way you want to, you know, learn what works for you, because now you ain't got nothing else to do. So all you can do is learn and practice, and practice, practice, practice.
Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. That's all it goes.
You know how much attention she got, Marsha. Yeah, Brady Bunch. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I hope so. Anyway, just practice. Practice your skill, practice your craft. It'll be fun. It should be fun. If it's not fun for you, don't do that. But I'm talking about the people that are passionate about beauty and want to learn more, and you want to push yourself to the edge and learn how to blend and learn how to create looks. This is the best time for you. It is. And then leave me comments down below. Say, hey Kat, guess what? I practiced all this all week long for 2 weeks, and look what, you know, I'm doing things that I never thought I could do before. So hey, that's always a good pat on your back. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna throw in one more, because I was only gonna give you 10, but I'm gonna throw in one more just for the heck of it. DIY stuff as much as you can. Do it yourself. Get your nails done yourself, do your hair yourself, do your makeup yourself. Go paint a room if you want to paint a room, because I always have projects to do, and usually I don't do them because I'm too busy. Like if you have that extra time, go get that extra spare room painted. You know, I'm trying to work on a beauty room. I'm trying. I've been trying for months. That's a work in progress. But you know, I got this piece of furniture now that my husband's work was just giving it to him. Is it the best piece that I ever wanted?
No.
Because I wanted something completely different. Can I afford what I want?
No.
I can't afford the IKEA pack system. I can't afford any of that stuff. So that'll do for now. It's gonna have to do. I can paint it, I can DIY it, I can do things to it. I love making crafts. I don't know if you guys do or not, but I love doing things and seeing my hard work pay off. You know what I mean? It always feels good. It feels good like, hey, I did that. Did you do that? No, I did that. And does it look like I did that? Yes, it looks like I did it. It's got my stamp on it.
You can tell I did it.
I'm gonna try to make that, it's like a closet, you know, with the shelves in there, work for me as best as possible. Because hey, it's an item I didn't have. Now I can store some of my makeup in there. Is it perfect? No, but I'm gonna try to make it perfect. I'm gonna catify it, okay? I'm gonna put my stamp on it. It's gonna be mine. That's what it's gonna be. Do things like that. Just saying. Do your hair all wacky. You know what I mean? Just do some fun stuff. Learn new hair tricks, learn new braids, learn new anything. Try to occupy your time with things that you never thought you were gonna do. You can do them now. You can do them now. If you saw that blanket that I showed you, you know, I've been working on that blanket forever. And I'm really good at it's just by hand. It's a real thick yarn, and I just make a bunch of blankets, you know, but it does take time. It's time consuming. But when you run out of yarn, that's where the problem lies. So right now I'm out of yarn. Invest in making a blanket. It's so simple and easy to learn in like 2 minutes. Real easy. So I hope today's video was a little helpful. I did this video because I have a new subscriber, and they asked, hey, you know, since we have nowhere to go and nothing to do, could you give us some ideas of things that you do? And these are the things that I do. I try to do projects. I try to do some blankets. My kids are doing puzzles, and they're sewing little pandas together and stuff they can find at the dollar store. Little projects. Doing different stuff with our hair. You know, the hair takes a long time. I'm not kidding when I say it's gonna take 2 hours. You might think it's just a little skit that I do in the beginning of the video, but it literally takes me 2 hours to do something with this hair. Okay, so that right there.
You can spend lots of time doing your hair.
And then do braids, do twisties, do buns, do space buns, do quadruple buns, do rows all over the place. Do you, boo, okay? Do you, and by the time you know, the day is over, and then tomorrow you can do something else. So I hope the subscribers watching, I hope you enjoyed it. I do want to ask you guys a question. Next month, I'm going to be starting those little videos that you guys asked me to do, a 5-minute challenge and one palette with 2 looks on it and stuff like that. So do you guys want me to say the subscriber who is asking for this video, or do you want me to leave you guys anonymous? I don't want to invade anybody's privacy. I just don't want to be that person. That's why the last video I did about the eyeliners, I didn't want to put the girl's name up there because I don't know if she'd like that. She might not want me to be blasting her out like that. You know, maybe that's embarrassing to her. So I don't know, you guys. You guys gotta tell me how you guys feel about that. Do you want me to say your name? Do you want me to say who you are and that you requested this video? Because right now I could say the person who requested this video, but they're a new subscriber and I don't know how they feel about that. So I don't want to step on their toes. They're brand new.
I want people coming in, not running out the door, okay? You know what I mean?
Let me know, you guys, how you feel, your thoughts and opinions. And this was just a little put together for you guys, just telling you how my day's been going. I will link in the description box below everything that I'm wearing today. My little funny hair that I just did. I just popped that in there just because.
Just because, you know, it's just a fun day. So we're just gonna have some fun with it. That's it, it's a fun video.
So I just threw a flower looking like thing up in there. Just my hair, just twisted it around and just made that guy. That's it. I hope I gave you guys a few ideas, a few options. Also, don't forget, watch your diet. Now's a good time that you can start watching your diet. That's another thing. I'm always having a hard time with my health. You know, I have a hard time with what I'm eating. So right now is a perfect time to be more mindful and more aware of what I'm eating. Am I happy to do that?
No.
But I should be, because I should be healthy and I should be a good example for my kids. And sometimes I'm like Ipsy and I drop the ball. That's what happens.
It happens. That's all I can tell you.
And all jokes aside, I do try to be healthy and I try to set a good example for the kids. So, you know, maybe use this extra time to eat a little healthier, do some research on healthy foods, because those good vitamins, when you put them in here, that's what helps us fight off these types of bacterias that are in the air that want to attack you. Good vitamins, good health, don't forget that too. Okay, you guys, I'm not your mama, I'm not your doctor. I'm just trying to give you good information, and you got to start from within. You really do. Beauty starts on the inside, so does your health starts on the inside. You got to be good in here to be good out here, okay? I mean, you need an army to fight. You don't want to be just one guy fighting a whole team. You want to be an army fighting a team. So you want to be an army fighting bacteria, okay? All right, I know we're not in school. I'm just telling you. That's all I can do is share. I'm just sharing with you. I hope you guys are being safe out there. I hope you're staying inside. Do what they tell you. If they say you're on lockdown, be on lockdown. Don't be running around. Stay 6 feet away from people. If you do have to go out and go shopping, just do what you can to help yourself, okay? That's all I can tell you guys. Help yourselves and you help others. You help yourself, you help others. We should make these like a song.
Wash your hands, help yourself, love everyone.
I don't know. I don't have a very good beat. Someone should be beatboxing in the background. It'll make it sound better. Sound better, people. We need it encouraged. Don't forget, look for that winner. If you haven't found the winner yet, the winner's on there. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video in a couple days. All right? But, oh, have you subscribed yet? Oh my God, why do I forget to say this? I can't even help myself. Have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then you can't see fun looks like this. Then you can't see eyeshadow like this. Then you can't see nice, pretty bronzer and blush and my Chicago shirt. You know, I mean, you gotta subscribe. You got to.
You get to hear all of my funniness and my wonderful personality.
Have you not seen my personality yet? You should subscribe. I'm just saying. Putting out there. Share the video, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it, okay? I'll see you in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe. We'll talk about it in the comments, all right? You guys have a great one. Love y'all. Bye.
There goes 2 hours trying to make it into a nice silken...
Silken...
If you want that nice, luxurious, silken robe-like feel where your hair just drapes you and falls on the neckline and just flows beautifully, if that's what you're looking for, and you got hair like this, there could be your first 2 hours of the day right there, working on that. Take it away.